To fit the Duo Plus using the ISOFIX connectors, simply follow these steps. Pull the green handle at the back of the seat to extend the ISOFIX connectors. Put your thumbs on the back of the latches, line the seat up with the ISOFIX mountings, press until you hear it click and the green indicators are showing. The seat is now attached. Hold the sides of the seat, push it in, and now the seat is secure. Check the installation by holding onto the harness and making sure it is firm and secure. When in use, place your child's arms through the shoulder straps and bring the two buckle tongues together so that they interlock. Fasten the two buckle tongues firmly into the buckle until you hear a click. Adjust the shoulder straps, ensuring that there are no twists, and pull the harness tight with the adjuster strap. The harness should be tightened enough so that you can still get 2 fingers underneath. This will ensure that your child is comfortable and secure.